Yaki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kakin Menteri Sorkar jong ke Assam telah menjur bencana thamaino yaitu Immigrants Expulsion from Assam Act kendai sepasan pau ban betha yaitu District Commissioner berki officer pulit bakin Krad yaitu Mynderi negara jela Assam ban khanglat ru yaitu jing persang rungtu ki Mynderi na kiri ki pemarjan. Kini kara jong kin Menteri Sorkar kalongkat kum ke hukum jong ke Supreme Court. Umendirang ba ka jela Assam minta biswa sarma ulong begitu ki buan na Assam shua Snem ka kendai spa nyopowe on Kenya ki kum gino shoshdong begitu ki buan Hadien jong Snem ka kendai spa nyopowe pan on Krad no yaki.
While upholding clause section 6A of Citizenship Amendment Act, Supreme Court through the constitutional bench has clearly indicated that the government of Assam is free to use the Immigrant Expulsion from Assam Act 1950 to detect and deport foreigners. Under this act, the Deputy Commissioner is empowered by the central government to evacuate any person who is, in the view of Deputy Commissioner, is considered to be a foreigner. Today, State Cabinet has come out with a standard operative procedure to implement the Act in letter and spirit. Under the new SOP, Deputy Commissioner will give 10 days time to the suspected person to prove his citizenship. If Deputy Commissioner, after 10 days hearing the person, come to the conclusion, prima facie come to the strong conclusion that the person is a foreigner, then he will immediately pass a order of evacuation. The foreigners will be immediately evacuated or will be pushed back from Assam. However, if Deputy Commissioner could not come, is not able to come to a proper conclusion, then the matter will be referred to the Foreigners Tribunal for further hearing. Under this act, as mandated by Supreme Court, now it will be much easier for the government of Assam to push back foreigners once he is detected and the Deputy Commissioner comes to the conclusion that he is indeed a foreign national. So this is a landmark decision of Assam Cabinet. Never before we have attempted this act. Now, as Supreme Court has clearly mandated, we are going to implement this act letter and spirit.